Here's the brutal truth. The difference between fine visibility and wow, that's crystal, is the glass cleaner in the door pocket, not the wipers on the windshield. Stick around, because this goes way beyond streak-free claims. There's a clear gap between what cleans, what repels, and what actually stays that way after a week in real weather. By the end, there's a straight 6-to-1 ranking, and which one to grab, depending on driving, climate, and, well, patience level. 6. Invisible Glass 92164. Let's kick it off with Invisible Glass 92164, the no-frills, just clean option that, honestly sets the floor for what good looks like. It's ammonia-free, tint-safe, and it lays down a fine mist that clings to glass so it doesn't drool down your dash while you're working a tricky angle, which is a small but very real win inside cramped cabins. The pitch here is residue-free clarity, and that's what comes through in testing. No sweet scents, no dyes, and no gummy film that turns into haze under low sun. Here's what matters. The formula is designed to be 100% residue-free, and that's exactly how it behaves when paired with a tight weave glass towel, bugs, road film, salt spray, and fingerprints vanish without extra buffing passes. It's safe on tinted glass, navigation screens, and interior panels that don't love ammonia, which means it's a reliable reach-for-it cleaner in mixed material cabins. The foamier delivery you'll see in some variants also helps break down greasy junk quicker than watery sprayers. That said, well, this is a cleaner only, not a protector, and you'll feel that difference after a rainy commute when water doesn't bead and wipe away as easily. There's also no anti-static or hydrophobic boost, so dust finds its way back a bit faster than with formulas that fight static cling. If the goal is clean and done, it nails it. If the goal is clean, repel, and stay cleaner, you're going to want more. 5. Rain-X 63177 SRP Cerami-X Glass Cleaner plus Water Repellent. Now this one, Rain-X Cerami-X, leans into ceramic and Hydrophobe-X tech to marry cleaning with serious water beading. And yes, it does both in one pass when used with a clean microfiber. The beading is obvious at speed, and the surface feels slick afterward, which makes the next cleanup a little easier. Claimed durability up to roughly 6 weeks tracks with real-world results when the glass is properly prepped. Let me explain. Where basic cleaners stop at shine, this leaves a hydrophobic layer that beads aggressively and improves wet weather visibility, especially on highways where airflow helps the beads shoot up and away. It's also convenient. Spray, wipe, light second pass to level, done. So there's no multi-step coating routine to juggle. Now the nudge. This can streak if the towel is even a little saturated or the glass is undecontaminated from old dressings, smoker's film, or silicone. The ceramic chemistry needs a clean landing zone to lay down nicely. It also doesn't behave well if over-applied. Too much product will haze, and then you're chasing smears. And on city speeds or vertical glass with little airflow, the benefit is noticeable, but less dramatic than highway driving. Used correctly, though, the combo of clean plus hydrophobic saves time in rainy climates and keeps the glass feeling slick longer than a plain cleaner. If that balance is appealing, this is the first one-and-done product in the lineup that starts to feel worth it. Number 4. Armor All-Car Glass Wipes. These are the glove box hero, ammonia-free, streak-free wipes that actually stay moist thanks to the moisture lock lid, and they're quick on film, bug residue, and greasy fingerprints. On the go, after a tunnel wash, or before a night drive, a couple of wipes take you from hazy to clear without spraying product all over interior trim. They're safe for factory-tinted glass and won't leave that hazy residue. Some household glass wipes do. Convenience is the superpower here. No bottle, no overspray on dash screens, no juggling towels in a tight parking space. For touch-ups, they punch way above their weight. And for daily drivers with kids, pets, or morning coffee fog, they keep visibility sharp with almost no effort. Now, reality check. Wipes won't replace a deep clean on layered road film or after a full week of highway bugs. They're best as a maintenance tool, and in that role, they shine. The finish is truly streak-free when the glass isn't roasting hot and when the wipe is fresh from the pack. There's no hydrophobic layer. These are cleaners, not repellents, so water behavior won't change, and durability is only as good as the next commute. That said, the clarity is consistent and repeatable, which is exactly what a glovebox product should deliver. 3. Chemical Guy's CLD 20216 Signature Series Glass Cleaner. If the aim is optical clarity without drama, this ammonia-free liquid is a sweet spot. Strong on road film, friendly to tint, and tuned to reduce static so the glass doesn't redust as fast. It's designed to cut grease and grime while restoring a crisp, streak-free finish, and it's flexible enough for screens and clear plastics in a pinch. Here's what matters. It behaves consistently across interior and exterior, and with the two-towel method, clean, then buff, it leaves nothing behind but clear glass. Reducing static cling sounds niche, but it's noticeable. Dust and lint don't rush back as quickly, which keeps that just cleaned look longer. Technique helps. Light mist, 2 towels, small sections on hot days. Used that way, it's faster than most to a squeak-clean finish, especially on smoker's film or oily haze from interior off-gassing. No ammonia also means it's safer around aftermarket tint and dash surfaces. Is it a repellent? No, and that's the only miss. It's a pure cleaner that excels at what it promises. Pairing it with a separate rain repellent gives the best of both worlds if long-term water behavior is the goal. Bottom line, professional clarity with less static and zero tint risk. Ideal for people who want expert-level results without scent, dyes, or residue. 2. Meguiar's Ultimate Glass Cleaner and Water Repellent. This is the cleaner repellent hybrid dialed for modern cars. Streak-free clarity, less towel grab, and a hydrophobic finish that beads water and improves wet weather sightlines. The formula is designed to create surface tension so water forms tight beads and rolls off, and it's safe around exterior glass, driver assist cameras, and sensor housings, big plus for late-model vehicles. In use, it spreads smoothly and buffs clean without chasing haze, provided the towel is clean and the glass is reasonably prepped. The anti-hazing character means bright, low-angle sun doesn't suddenly reveal ghosting, which makes it reliable for commuters driving at dawn or dusk. You end up with slick glass that resists wet grime a little better, so wiper chatter and drag are less of a thing after application. Practical upside: easy spray and wipe workflow with real hydrophobic payoff without stepping into multi-step coating territory. It's responsive to light maintenance. 1 or 2 passes after a wash keeps the repellency lively without building up patchy layers. Compared to the ceramic forward option earlier, this one feels more forgiving. It levels easily and is less prone to over-application haze, which makes it a safer first step into repellent cleaners. Durability is solid for a cleaner-based repellent and easy to refresh. Bottom line, the sweet spot for most drivers: clear, slick, and confidently hydrophobic with minimal fuss. 1. Gtechniq G1 ClearVision Smart Glass. If the mission is maximum longevity and serious wet weather visibility, this is the top of the mountain. G1 is a true glass coating that chemically bonds to the surface, which is why durability extends well beyond spray-on repellents. Think a year or more, depending on use and maintenance. In rain, water beads hard and clears faster at speed, and winter grime, bugs, and even frost release easier during cleanups. Here's the real advantage. Chemically bonded protection means less smearing over time and better resilience to washer fluid, wiper passes, and detergents compared to physical bond repellents. The visibility boost is obvious in highway rain, and driver fatigue drops because the glass stays clearer with fewer wiper cycles. Application is more involved than a simple spray cleaner, but the payoff is longevity. This is the treat it and enjoy it route rather than constant reapplication. Once cured, it's easier to maintain. Dirt and water struggle to cling, so quick washes restore that bead and shed behavior fast. There are trade-offs to know. Coatings favor true glass only, no polycarbonate lenses, and prep matters for bonding and clarity. Still, when done right, G1's durability and wet safety edge out every cleaner repellent hybrid on this list, which is why it earns the top spot. Bottom line, for drivers who want the most durable, high-speed beading, and easier winter and bug cleanup, this is the long-game winner. Final thought: clean is table stakes. Repellency and durability separate great from good. Start with how often the glass gets hammered by weather. Then choose the combo of clarity, beating, and maintenance that matches real driving.